stuff will be thrown at us. Last year we had an officer break his hand because a bottle was thrown at him.
Even the roads to the beach overcome by bad behavior. These cars inching close enough for one driver to pour a drink for the passenger in the other vehicle. So this weekend, lanes of traffic will once again be reduced to ensure license plate readers won't miss a single car as it enters Miami Beach. Do you want to eradicate spring break on South Beach?
Well, we certainly want to eradicate this kind of spring break, but we certainly don't want them behaving the way they have, and that's going to stop.
Police will be ready to crack down. If anyone is caught with an open container, they will ask them to pour it out. If they refuse, they'll be arrested right there on the spot. The city desperately wants to get this under control. Victor Oquendo, ABC News, Miami Beach.
Well, Disney closed on its deal to acquire Fox's entertainment business for $71 billion. The deal means a seismic shift in Hollywood as The Simpsons, The X-Men, and the Marvel Cinematic Universe all come under one banner. Simpsons executive producer Al Jean marking the merger with this tweet: Homer choking Mickey, with Bart saying, "Welcome to the family, man." It was August 1969 when 500,000 plus packed the fields of a dairy farm in Bethel, New York, spreading peace and love for what's known as the famous rock concert ever, Woodstock. This morning, the headliners for the 50th anniversary concert were announced. Here's a few names you may know: Jay-Z, Miley Cyrus, Carlos Santana, Chance the Rapper, Imagine Dragons, and Janelle Monáe. They are just some of the 50 headliners for the three-day fest starting August 16th.
Wow. That is a summer destination spot, I would say.
Well,
a lot of folks.
Yeah.
50-year anniversary, though. My goodness.
I know.
Pretty wild to think that.
It's that long ago.
All right, so behind us we have cherry blossoms, and they're getting closer and closer and closer.
To
that puffy white.
Yep.
So we've got about another week and a half to go, and temperatures at this point are going to be on the cooler side most of the time.
Okay.
So that's going to help sort of slow things down a little bit. This is what it looks like as we look toward upper northwest D.C., Friendship Heights, over into Chevy Chase. Clouds are with us. They're the cherry blossoms over at the tidal basin. Hard to believe that in another week or so, this area is going to be absolutely packed. Can't wait to see that. And also over toward Key Bridge, all moving nicely this hour into Georgetown or into Roslyn, depending on which direction you're going. 50 degrees, that's the number on the board today. We have 50 degrees this hour over at Reagan National Airport, over in Gaithersburg, the same in Leesburg. 50 degrees this hour over toward Manassas. We're into Warrenton now, looking at lower 50s, 40s all along the I-81 corridor. Do want to show you what it looks like at this hour. Stormwatch 7 satellite radar, not a whole lot going on other than the cloud cover, and that's going to stick around as we head through the afternoon and evening hours. And wet weather down to the south, that's going to become our big prominent weather maker over the next 24 hours. Notice what happens as we head through the overnight hours. Lots of wet weather for the DMV down toward Fredericksburg and Richmond. I'm going to break it down for you now hour by hour as we head through the day tomorrow. We are looking at 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. It will be a slow start to your Thursday morning rush hour commute. Continues with more moderate rains around the Beltway, Tysons, and Fairfax toward the 6 a.m. hour. We're still looking at wet weather for the noontime, even some heavier periods of rain for outdoor recess for the kids. Don't think it's going to be outdoors for tomorrow. We'll keep the wet weather as we move into the afternoon and early evening hours before finally all this lifts on out of here. Grand total in terms of rain, anywhere between an inch, possibly even 1.5 inches to 2 inches, many locations. Let's talk about today. We are in the lower to middle 50s for the lunchtime hour. This evening, we do stay dry, at least early on. Temperatures around 50 degrees. Nighttime lows range from 43 to 45 degrees. Showers will begin to develop. And as we head into the day tomorrow, cloudy skies, wet weather. Definitely bring your umbrella. Leave extra time from getting from point A to point B. Upper 40s to lower 50s. And a bigger jump in temperatures moving into Saturday and Sunday. We're around 53 degrees on Saturday, lower 60s on Sunday. And your 7-day outlook from Stormwatch 7 will show windy conditions on Friday and Saturday, and then a bigger cool down as they move into early next week. We're back right after this.
Pest problems? Get a free inspection. mypmsi.com.
You hear the waves?
Yeah. It's the first that stay with us. They make our hearts race, our eyes widen, our hands sweat. The lines of our smiles deepen in our cheeks. The magic of experiencing something for the very first time never gets old. It's firsts that last in North Carolina.
People aren't talking about how much money they saved buying Giant brand chicken. They're not talking because they're eating. Oh, hello. At Giant, it's the little things that make mealtime easy, so you have more time with the people you love.
At Value City Furniture, we know great moments deserve great furniture. Shop the spring coupon sale and save $100 off every $1,000 you spend store-wide. Or enjoy 36-month special financing, only at Value City Furniture.
It hasn't always been easy, has it? There have been days when you doubted yourself, and days when you were ready to quit, but you didn't, because you had the courage to venture